come May, and this May 2021, Mercury and Venus both are out of bounds. Hence, they have an independent and unrestricted expression. It's the time for you to speak your truth and give vent to your creativity in whichever way you would like to express. Pursue your projects with ardor and fervor. Now is the time to take chances with whatever you wanted to do but didn't ever dare. Now, Jupiter ingresses into Pisces and stays there till July 28th. There is not going to be any tense aspects in the first 3 weeks of May. It's only in the last week of May when Saturn and Mercury go retrograde and we have a lunar eclipse in Sagittarius. So more about that in my upcoming videos. But now with the May 2021, what do I have for all the zodiacs? Before that, you also need to know that with the new moon in Taurus on the 11th, good aspect to Neptune in Pisces. And also when it's in another good aspect to Pluto in Capricorn, it implies that we can start our dream projects and take initiatives, baby steps in the areas of finance and nutrition, a healthy living, and health is your wealth in today's times. So Moon, North Node, Mercury and Venus in Gemini, they are trining Saturn in Aquarius, encouraging us to market our skills and products. A great period for communications, sales, learnings, and of course, with the prevailing good dynamics around, balancing our yin and yang energies become important. Now for Taurus, the cosmos is rearranging its placements. Jupiter's move into Pisces on the 14th, a brief flirtation, brings spiritual friends into picture. Now, these are significant ones. Your intimate life also undergoes a spiritual kind of metamorphosis. Jupiter's move also improves your health and energy as it moves out of a stressful alignment into a harmonious one. Health will basically be very good this month. So if you remain disciplined in your diet and exercise, you can enhance your health further. A lunar eclipse on the 26th occurs in your 8th house. So reduce your schedule over this period, especially. Just balance it, rest, relaxation, work. Again, rest, relaxation, and work. Now, this eclipse can bring encounters with endings and fresh beginnings on the psychological level in all kinds of experiences. Now, these should be considered as love messages from the cosmos. Life is short. It can end at any time. Start doing what you were meant to do, what you were born to do. You need to look into your finances and also make those who are dependent on you understand the wisdom of budgeting and planning. Communication and technical communication equipment can be temperamental and often repairs or replacements are needed. It'll be a good idea to drive more carefully around this time of the eclipse. Students and for all those involved in education, studying or teaching, this is a period where all sorts of new moons or new norms need to be adapted as the institutions undergo tremendous changes and complying to the rules and regulations laid out by the government. You're still in the midst of a yearly personal pleasure peak until the 21st. So it's good to enjoy all the pleasures of your body and to get the body into the shape you want. On the 21st, you begin a yearly financial peak, so the month ahead is very prosperous for you. Basically, this is a happy month. And for you, Taurus, with some eclipse challenges thrown in just to keep you on your toes and keep things interesting for you. Keep your emotions under control and feel blessed. Attitude of gratitude is what will keep you thriving and going and happy. So till my next, stay blessed and keep thriving. Last but not the least, for your career days, for your best days overall, for your stressful days, or for your days of love, money, honey, you need to get into my website. And it's very important to have your natal charts or your birth charts handy so that you know exactly where are the planets positioned And as I speak about the months, you could look into your natal charts to see how you are being affected. Get a hold of your life and be a master and an architect of your fate. Stay blessed.